Welcome guys, today we're gonna play Farm Life Tycoon. I bought 2 things and now I have $5 a second. Sorry that I had to cut out the first part of the video because there was loads of people talking in the background. Now there's not, so now I think I can make a video. So let's buy this. Fence post, fertilized dirt. And Farm Life Tycoon is just farm life without the tycoon. 39. Oh, that's Robux. No Robux. I'm poor. Okay, let's buy gates for 95. Expand. Where do I expand? Money. Okay, expand path. Now I need a tiny bit more. I'm just gonna wait a bit so I can get a little bit money and then I will buy. Okay, that's enough. Let's get that. Go to the chicken coop. Where's fences? Where's fences? So expensive. Why is fences so expensive? Silo. What's a silo? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but okay. Hay bales. The chicken just wondering why am I here. So let's go get some more money. Buy some things. Water tower. Just climb this boy. Pump water. Why do I pump? If I pump water, what? Pump well. Oh, I thought it was pump water. No. Let's see. Expand path again. You need to expand the path so much in this game, and it's so expensive. Again, expand path. I think I'll buy 2 more things to end off the video. I'm sorry this video was short, but I have more things to do. I'm busy. So, and buy some more things. Just one more thing. Okay. Sorry, this video was was not very long. I don't want a too long video. So say goodbye. Remember to subscribe, like and subscribe, and see you later.